Guys, so this is my physique right now. As you can see, I'm getting a little leaner compared to what I was when I first showed you this, like my physique. So I'm gonna be making a video while I'm down there and just kind of share with you guys how I'm doing, just where my progress is. And I may not upload it till I get back, but just wanted to share with you guys just like how you stay disciplined on vacations and how you face challenges during times where you don't really have that control. So anyways guys, I'm so excited to head down to Florida, and I'm ready to just relax and just enjoy some sun and eat some seafood. So we'll see you guys there. Peace. What is up guys, welcome to my channel. This is Tim with 317 Wellness. Hopefully you enjoy this view. I've been on vacation for the past 3 days so far. So we arrived Sunday, now it's Wednesday, and kind of wanted to get on here and talk about my nutrition and kind of like my journey so far with my goals. I made a video talking about like how this is going to be a challenge on vacation to try to stay consistent with my goals, and then just kind of a few tips from what I'm learning right now that I can give you guys as well. So let's get started. We got here on Sunday and it's been awesome. It's been an amazing trip and I've been enjoying this weather. So far it's been okay with my nutrition. I've had a good routine in the morning. I've been sleeping in maybe a little more than an hour than I usually do during the week. That's been consistent. My breakfast has been pretty consistent. And then my lunch has been consistent. The only thing that hasn't been consistent has been my dinners, and that's when we usually go out. And that's actually my first tip, is to really figure out what time of the day you're gonna go out and enjoy some food. I haven't restricted myself completely, but I have been aware of what I'm eating throughout throughout the nights. So I'm still enjoying my food, still enjoying a few drinks here and there, but I'm not indulging as much. And I'm actually pretty proud of myself. So I would say tip number one is just to really have a plan on when you're going out to eat. And I would recommend just doing maybe once a day if you wanted to just try to remain on track with your goals. That's what's helped me so far. And then tip number two would be making sure you have some kind of accountability, maybe your wife, a friend, someone that will help you continue with your goals. And then I would say tip number three is to have some kind of routine on your vacation, because honestly, like, I still go to bed at 9:30, 10 o'clock. Having that routine with your sleep is huge on vacation. Go to bed. I'd say go to bed around the same time, or you can go later if you want, but just get good quality sleep, because that's going to be a huge factor of how you feel the next morning. So far I've been continuing with that plan, and then that's pretty much it guys. So staying consistent with your routine and making sure you have some kind of routine, your sleep's good, drinking a lot of water, and then still enjoying going out and still enjoying that time with your family. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this view, and we'll see you back in Indiana. Peace.